Let's untangle, tie one on. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and colloquial English phrase, tie one on. This might sound like a confusing set of words, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and when to use it. Let's get started. First, let's break down the words. When we think of the word tie, we might think of tying our shoelaces or a ribbon. And 1, well, that's a number. But here's the catch. In English, when we put certain words together, their combined meaning can be entirely different from their individual definitions. The phrase, tie one on, has nothing to do with tying anything in a literal sense. So, what does tie one on mean? It's a slang term that means to drink a lot of alcohol, typically to the point of becoming drunk. For instance, if someone says, after the final exams, we decided to go out and tie one on, it means they went out to celebrate and drank quite a bit. It's important to note that this phrase is informal. You might hear it in casual conversations among friends, but it's not typically used in formal settings. Though the exact origins of tie one on are not entirely clear, it's believed to have originated in the early 20th century. Some theories suggest it might be related to the idea of tying on a feed bag, a bag filled with food for horses. Just as a horse would tie one on to eat, a person might tie one on to drink. However, it's one of those quirky phrases that has evolved over time and its original context might have been lost. To help you understand better, here are a few example sentences. 1. It was his birthday, so he decided to tie one on with his friends. 2. They tied one on last night and now have a massive hangover. 3. If you're planning to tie one on, make sure you have a designated driver. Remember, it's always crucial to be aware of the context and the audience when using slang terms. There you have it. Now you know what tie one on means and its potential origin. English is filled with colorful and fun phrases like this, and understanding them can make conversations more engaging. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep exploring and happy learning!